Don't end up like this. Let me show you how to avoid this. I'm going to share some important safety items that can help keep you safe while you're running your chainsaw. Most chainsaw accidents actually happen from the waist down. Having a good solid leather boot with a steel toe is super important. Because the majority of chainsaw accidents happen below the waist, chaps are an essential part of keeping yourself safe. Chaps can be found anywhere from roughly $59 on up on Amazon or other areas. They are quite comfortable. I could see they could be possibly a problem in very, very hot weather. Gloves are another good safety item to have. These particular gloves are chainsaw gloves, so they actually have the chainsaw resistant material in the tops of the hands. Another really important piece of safety gear is the headgear. With the helmet, the earmuffs, the face protection, that's going to be crucial to you not getting hit in the head by a branch or getting your eye poked out by a twig. Even with the headgear, you still need to have safety glasses for eye protection. Having some extreme first aid items with you at all times is always a good thing for safety. This is exactly why you wear these pants. My arms got tired. A branch kind of pushed down on the chainsaw, and look what it does. It grabs that and it stops the blade. Luckily, I had already let off the gas as well, but that's why these chaps are so important.